we brought the BAS booth this year is a 74 Duster. Actually a one-owner car. The lady has had it since new. She used to drag race this thing, so we wanted to give it a modern feel, but still keep a little bit of the vintage where kind of gives it a good look, and bring it out here and debut it this year. For the interior on this, we did Moore and Giles leather, and we actually found a 74 vintage material for the center. The pistol grip shifter, we actually made the wood ourselves and re-cleared all that with the BASF clear, and just kind of go with a throwback theme, make it a little pop in there. The customer support with the Glasurit is top notch. You can't beat the support that they give you. Like I said, the tech support, any kind of thing, how easy things mix together, spraying, coverage, everything. It's a full package, and you need a question, you have a question or anything, it's a quick phone call away or an email away, and they get right back with you on everything.